My name's Aimie and I work in supported living. We support individuals out in the community, at home to do home tasks, washing, cleaning, laundry, doctor's appointments, take them to day centre, out shopping, any kind of living task that you think of, we just support them to maintain their independence and do all that. I became a social care worker back 3 years ago. Previously I'd done home care for a different company. I then had my children and gone into retail and spent 10 years in retail because it just suited my family. But during COVID I was furloughed and at home, and I thought, you know, I really enjoyed doing home care and stuff. It's just something that I feel like it gives back to the community or gives back to people. I looked through jobs while I was furloughed and the social care apprentice came up and I thought, I'm going to go and do that. I done my apprenticeship, which is 4 placements over 6 months for 2 years. I got a permanent position here, and I then went and acted up as assistant team leader for a short period because hours was off. I've done my level 2 and 3 QCF. Obviously I'd like to go on and do my level 4 and onto my level 5, which is management, and hopefully one day I'll be sat in the same chair as some of the team leaders. The most rewarding part of my job is seeing individuals enjoy every day of their life because of us helping them and getting them to where they want to be and doing what they want to do. It's just rewarding to see them be able to do these things. What do? We go for a
walk.
Yeah, and we watch
films.
We go shopping. I think that we got a brilliant team. We all support each other. If we need changes to our rotas or things, we're all there to help each other out. There's some of us with young children, some of us haven't got children, but we're all happy to chip in. And it's just a brilliant team. When I done the apprenticeship, I was 37 and the other 2 were 19, and I was thinking, oh my God, you know, I'm just starting all over again. But definitely go for it. There's so much out there, and like I done placements in 4 different settings. So to see the different settings and everything that goes on in these settings, there's something for everyone in social care. There's nothing to be scared of, making that jump from one career to the next. I done it, I went from retail and into social care, which is 2 different careers, and it's been the best thing that I've done.